Should I back this ass all the way up?
You back that ass. Oh yeah, good timing. Oh shit. Vroom, vroom. Oh shit. Oh god damn. Listen to me now.
I can't make this shit up. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Robert here, YouTube on a budget, back with another video. And I got my co-host T-Baby, skipping school today.
Hey, don't put my business out there. I'm not skipping school. I took a day off.
She's skipping school.
Took a day off.
Skipping motherfucking school, bro. But yeah, guys, finally, guys, the day is here where I get to actually drive my truck more. I'm finally getting tires. Lucky hooked it up. You watched my previous video. I was about to get some used tires because I really want to get these wheels re-powder coated. And after we leave here, guys, we're gonna go talk to Winter real quick before we head back home. And we're gonna see what we could do with these rims. Unfortunately, I am getting new tires, but I'm only doing this because I just want to start driving the truck. Wifey thought I abandoned the truck. Low key, I honestly did, guys. I was paying like $800 a month for what? Couple months, 6 months, 4 months for this mug just to sit on the curb. That's crazy even thinking about it. But this mug is almost paid off. I am not getting no more new cars, guys. I'm gonna just build what I have and pay off her Benz early. I am not buying no cars for 2025 whatsoever, due to the fact.
Wait, what? Run it back. What you say?
I'm not buying myself any more cars. Well, car note cars. I'm not saying I'm not buying no more cars. Car note cars. It's a different.
That don't make sense.
Yes, it is. I'm not gonna buy a brand new car.
Let's just say you're not gonna buy a car in general.
No,
because you already have too many.
The
household has too many cars.
How I have too many?
The household has too many.
Jayla's about to go, so that's one car gone. Okay, single cabs in the garage, Benz in the garage. So we only got the Kia.
What's this?
This is Oh, I forgot about this bit. Damn, F-150. But this is hauls my stuff though, like the side by side. Remember?
Okay, so that's why I said no more.
Yeah, if I get another car,
don't
the
say
Kia.
Car note. No. Kia is the daily.
Yeah, I only drive that car on the day.
Okay, and then you drive this one on whenever.
I don't know when I drive.
Okay.
We drive this. This is
want to sit on the curb.
This is the project car. This is the car.
No, this is not the motherfucking project car. The project car is in the storage.
And in the garage. The single cab. I still gotta do the interior.
Bitch needs to be in the freaking storage.
Still gotta do the interior.
Sound like a bunch of work and money.
Well, don't cut it off. Am I next? Am I next?
You call next?
I don't know. We're gonna see. But yeah, 2 rear tires, and then we got a part to pick up from Winter for the Project Sport Coupe, the Impala. Yeah, I told you I'm not stopping my motion, bro. Just because you took off, my motion's not finna stop.
Take me back home.
See, you should have stayed your black ass at home.
Take me home.
See, like I keep telling y'all, this YouTube life ain't simple.
Take me home.
I told y'all, bro. No, we just gotta pick it up and that's it.
You say that.
No, for real. But hey, guys, we in this bitch. Lucky Tire Wheel, man. Huge shout out to Lucky. We're gonna get 2 now, 2 later. I low key should have just honestly got all of them now. I'm just being cheap as fuck. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. Do I need to go in or what, bro? Let's go. I'm clogging up the entrance. I don't know who's next. Did Lucky just call me? Text me now. All right, guys. See y'all in a little bit.
Show me what you gonna do for this $10.
Not a damn thing.
Because I heard
What
you did something for some tacos.
I didn't do shit for tacos. Maybe something else, like a new car.
What you gonna do for this $10?
I ain't doing shit for $10.
Why you need $10?
So I can pay this nigga, and I ain't trying to get that nigga.
I don't
for
have
it.
$10. I have $20.
It's a $20 bill.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Let me put my ID back. My wallet. I'm saving that $20 for some tacos while you playing.
What tacos?
I don't know. I just want one day.
Shit, this nigga ready for me to go in now. Ooh, that is good. All right, guys.
Come here so you can get my hug. He said, come here.
I don't know why I hate driving on this damn ramp shit.
UPS.
You stay in the car?
Yeah. Shorties can lift me?
Huh?
Can shorties lift me?
They got a machine, nigga.
Hey,
A machine can lift
I'm
anything.
Heavyweight. I'm heavyweight.
What?
I'm in my thick season.
Just the rear. Two rear.
Two rear?
Yeah, two rear. Put the window down. All right, guys.
Because I'm cold.
You said what?
It's good because I'm cold.
Your head cold, nigga. Head cold, nigga. Head ass, nigga.
Don't start with the shit.
Don't start with the shit.
Don't start with the shit.
Look.
I'll make you.
Giselle be wanting blocks. They got another block right there.
I'm like, she don't play with blocks.
You a block.
I seen you on the block.
Any on the block.
Picked you up on the
How
block.
much you said this shit costs? Guys, this motherfucker here, bro. Y'all see what I have to deal with?
Who?
You.
What about me?
I have to deal with you.
You don't deal with me.
Yes, I do.
This is a privilege, boo. Privilege. Privilege, honey.
Don't touch me. You didn't want to give me $10.
I said I got a 20. And you act like you didn't want to do nothing for it, so that's no fun.
So I accidentally washed my money yesterday, guys. If y'all saw the previous video, I went to the ATL. I
I
washed
need
it.
to start checking your pockets again.
Bro, yeah, I know you used to. I know you used to
I
bank.
used to get some change off of your
I
ass.
know you used to bank off me.
Where you think this $20 came from?
Probably out of my pocket. 1, 2, 3.
Definitely came
4,
from you because I don't carry cash.
5. Then get my $20 though. I need it.
No. Because it ain't your $20.
You just said it was.
But it's not.
Oh, I'm missing somebody, bro.
Nah, don't be trying to. You're not funny.
I am missing somebody. I think it's still money in my pants. Yeah, it's still money in my pants. Cause I took $700 out. Count that?
Not if you got me counting clean money.
Now, how did this shit come out the ATM with tape on it, bro?
We could cheat the system.
How much is that?
5.
That's 500, right?
Uh-huh.
I'm missing 600. Oh no, all right. 600. I'm missing $40. Yes. Alright guys, let me go pay my boy Lucky real fast and go mess with him. I keep calling him Lucky, but his name ain't Lucky. Yo, I need. Oh, I got my brakes replaced already. I'm about to say I need brakes. I just got all this stuff redone, so retighten up. So I'm trying to make sure everything looks good. I didn't know they powder coated that. Brakes brand new still. Don't dry this, man. I got them replaced a while back. It's a lot of rust in here, bro. That's the only thing I hate about powder coating stuff. Look at all that shit. Rusted, rusted, rusted. Rusted, rusted, rusted. Rusted, rusted, rusted. I don't even know what tires I'm getting. Well, I don't even know where they at. 33. I had 33s on my stuff at first. Not anymore. Appreciate it, man.
With the phone?
No, hell no. That's 540. Oh, go ahead and order two. I want to come back next week.
Yeah, just call me next week whenever
Okay.
you I have to freaking put them here and there, and I'll just keep it. Like, whenever you
What, they
call,
gonna sell
a day
it?
at a time.
What you did, sell them?
Well, like sometimes they move them here, put them outside.
Oh.
Like,
Hey, why you got tires on top? It's on top of
because
it.
it was wind, bro. It was she was like making a lot of noise.
Oh, okay,
I
okay.
had to put like something on it. Bro, you know.
So what's your number one seller right now? What's your number one seller? For real? They came up though.
Yeah, they did. They got like a bunch of new.
A couple years ago, they came up. They just so expensive, dude. You know who I'm surprised that's not really doing nothing? JTX.
Bro, the JTX prices are too damn high, bro.
How much they run?
What is it
For for some rims like mine. How much some rims like that run?
Bro, they're more than American Force, like almost $1,500 more.
JTX?
Bro, they're think okay, because you know they're American Force prices, what they normally get is different. For us, he knows the guy used to work for American Force. He knows we used to buy it from him. And he think, oh, you know, we're trying to match the price of American Force.
Hey.
Was it 540?
Yeah. No changes. Don't worry about it. Yeah, don't worry about it. Give it to give me 5. You got 2 5s? No 5s? No, don't worry about it, man. They don't need no tip. I was gonna just give it to them.
I'll get it.
Hey, I gotta show my boy this. He got a Impala. He just painted it purple like that. Yeah.
Gold, what you need, man.
Yeah, he got gold wheels too.
For real?
Yeah.
Dijo que era una 2008, ¿verdad? Por Expedition. Sí.
Yeah, I'll come back next week at the front too, man.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can zoom in.
I'm looking for one like this.
Which one?
I don't know. I get it.
I'm doing my what it
You had
calls.
a Caprice, what
I'm
happened?
still doing it. I'm working. Yeah, I'm working on it right now.
What you doing right now?
I'm finna get this rear suspension done. I'm working on the rear suspension right now. Oh my God! Can you come out of? Yeah, I'm working on the rear suspension. We're gonna get all that. I have to order the wheel wood brakes, and then we're gonna put the LSA motor. I'm gonna take the motor back out and put it back in once the brakes and all that stuff is done.
What happened to the truck?
It's at the house. I'm getting the.
I haven't seen no video, nothing about.
Well, I just started back doing YouTube.
You should, bro.
So I got. I'm replacing. I cracked the fender where the wheel sticks out, sliding it, swinging, doing donuts and stuff. So I'm finna get that fixed right now. He's painting. He's painting right now.
Like, man, I saw you on YouTube, man. Like, where you? He's like 2 hours drove
Damn, what he get?
Some 24s.
He drove 2 hours for some 20. What he see from my channel?
I think so. He said you guys are like pretty famous on YouTube. Like I don't know, Robert is the only one.
Yeah,
I don't like all the other one. Youngster comes in too.
Yeah.
Videos and shit.
Yeah, everybody's trying to do YouTube now, bro.
Right now, bro.
Everybody, but it takes forever to make money now, though. When I started, but you gotta remember, I was doing it 2 years and wasn't make. I didn't know I could get paid already. Yeah.
They block your account for something.
No, it was it's just I think it was the CEO more so say than anything. But everything's good back now, so that's why I started. I kind of took off when the money went down. I took off. Now I'm back started because the money went back up.
Oh yeah, that's good, bro.
All right, they shouldn't take that long, man. Appreciate it, dude. I'll see you next week.
All right. Text me first, like.
I'll call you. I'll call here because you don't answer yourself.
Text me. At least I know. Like, hey, I called you.
Whatever. All right, guys. Oh, the exposure. Jeez. All right. Damn, he curve checked the hell out of that motherfucker. God, that's like some shit my wife would do right there. Jeez. Hey, I didn't think it was gonna take that long for them to put these damn wheels on this bitch. No bueno. Hey, is it the same tire?
Yeah.
Same one? Alright. Dog, that new tire got some meat on it, boy. You know what I'm saying? It got some meat.
You needed some meat on your tire.
So I guys list.
What you say?
None at all, baby. None at all.
Baby. No, baby. Yeah, keep that shit to yourself.
Cut that window. Man, guys, I'm gonna tell y'all this. Looking at these damn tires, bro. Looking at these tires. Hey, that is crazy. So he just put tire pressure in there, babe. Look, check this out. He just put tire pressure in there, right? The rims are not on the car, but it detected that he put 44 PSI in there.
That's crazy.
Because it's just right here. Ain't that crazy? The rims are not on the car, but it's picking up the sensor.
What the heck?
That's crazy because I need tire pressure because it was 31 at first at the bottom.
This shit is weird.
Yeah, it's just because it's picking up the sensor, the computer. Guys, the tire, I mean, I got to get some new rims. I really don't want to pay. So this is the issue. I want to get new rims, but I don't want to pay for new rims. I want a powder coat, but I don't want to pay for powder coat.
Sound like a whole bunch of bullshit.
So, dog, just look how bad these mugs look, guys. Hold on, let me see if I can zoom in. Look how bad they look. They look horrible, guys. Horrible. But this is one of the reasons why I never actually got the new tires, because I just didn't want to put new tires on these ugly ass rims. I ain't gonna cap to you. But yeah, we meated up now. We hanging, you know what I'm saying? Hanging. But I ain't gonna lie. By having these tires on, it shows me how much meat I need on the front tires. Where you going now?
I'm looking in your back seat.
No, you gotta be careful, babe, because we on the jack right now. You can't be moving like that. So stay still until we're done. No, for real, Tiffany, the car could literally tip over. This is how she acts when she drinks, by the way.
Drinks what?
Water.
Nigga, energy drink?
Clear water. This is how she acts.
The same shit you drinking?
She talks a lot, and she start acting dumb as fuck.
First of all, that's my personality.
And it's dumb as fuck. And it's funny as hell. I love when she drink. But I want to tell you this, though. When she sit down, she gone. She gone.
Where we go to?
I don't know where the hell you be at. I'll be good. I'm a more heavier drinker than you.
Dang. Gringos would be good today.
Who gonna pay?
These nuts.
No. We going for happy hour? Or are we going after?
Hell no, I gotta be to work in the morning.
Yeah, see? Told you she can't drink shit.
Knocked out.
Damn, nigga.
It was me.
Pop goes the weasel. Pop goes the weasel.
Can I take these bands? Because you ain't gonna use them.
What bags?
Bands.
Yeah, you can. I think Constance gave me one of those.
I'm gonna see if I can do some pull-ups.
That's what I'm gonna start getting. I could do pull-ups, but I can't do more than like 6. I be struggling. On like when
I can do one.
When I get to 5, I'll be like shaking.
Without assisted, like just
I don't do no assistance. Remember, I couldn't do one at first.
So have you ever tried it with the band?
JP showed me. I put it underneath my foot and go, or my knee and go up. But it has that. I don't like that assistance crack because it just don't feel right. I got on there today. I got my ass right off.
That's crazy.
What?
I found your balls.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit scared the hell out of me. Did it scare you?
No, because that's how I drop it.
Not on me.
You do too much.
All right, guys. So they officially dropped the truck. Hey, Chico, can you put 41 in the front for me, both sides? Gracias. All right, let's look at the new meats. Ooh, damn, that bitch. Yeah, I'm getting new tires, bro. Look at this shit. Way better. Damn. Way freaking better compared to that tire. It's the old tires right here. Way better, guys. Damn. Way freaking better. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order new tires for the front. It's a big difference. It is a big freaking difference, bro. You heard me? Mm-hmm. I wonder how this mug gonna ride now.
Like a horse with a big booty.
All right, guys. So this nigga, back that ass up. Thank you. I didn't give you no tip, nigga.
The tip is, oh shit.
I hate this truck, bro.
Wouldn't that be some fucking shit? Oh, hell. What the fuck?
This is some bullshit. I got my jumper things. I need a new battery, dog.
Oh, no.
You go and start it for me when I get out. Yeah, I haven't drove it in months. All right, you ready? Hold on, not yet. Start it. That's crazy. That's crazy as hell. I gotta get a new battery. It's official. I gotta get a new. She said she be talking about get her out this truck now. You said get me out this truck now?
Hey, I should have known when my phone stopped charging.
That's why my shit probably ain't working.
That's what I thought about. I was like, dang, did I take all the charge?
No, it stopped working because I cut the car off, babe. If I cut my key off, they don't charge.
Oh.
God, that crap crazy. You see how that mug starts though? That's how I know I need a battery. Y'all see? Oh, damn, I got y'all all in the sky. Y'all see how that crap starts? Randomly? Like, it's just weird. Like, how does it not start? Should I back this ass all the way up?
I got you good timing. Oh shit. Vroom, vroom. Oh shit. Oh god damn. Nigga. Shit warned me next time.
I didn't want to make a U-turn.
You ain't even got your seatbelt on.
No, it drives. No, it still shakes. I need new tires in the front.
Nigga get 2 new tires and start doing. Damn.
Guys, I jumped the damn median. That's all she's talking about.
No.
No, why does mother feel like it's sitting like this now? Because I got
It wasn't ready for that yet. Dang. I gotta take it slow.
I gotta make sure the tires are good.
I really need some tacos now.
Bro, why I feel like my ass is up now?
I'm telling you. Got them airbags on it.
No, the airbag's not even active. Like, they have no air in it. It's just because it's got more meat in the front. I mean, the rear. Yeah, I want to tell him to order new tires.
We riding heavy in the bag. Riding like that.
Let me tell him to order new tires. Because I can get this mug in line and then get
I
it.
can't believe your ass just did that shit.
What you thought I was going to do? Make a U-turn? I can't make a U-turn.
I don't know what you were doing. I wasn't even ready for that.
Thank you for calling Lucky Tire.
How they put
Please
2
hold for
things
the
like
next
that?
available
What you talking about?
The
Tires.
billboard.
Oscar. Where Oscar at?
Give me a quick second, man. Is it possible?
Hey, this is Robert.
Okay, give me a bit of
Titty said she wasn't ready for that.
¿Qué pasó?
Hey, order 2 more. I'll come back tomorrow.
What's up?
Come back. Order 2 more. I'll come back tomorrow.
Oh, let's give me order right now.
Or later. If it will it come? It won't come in time today, right?
I mean, it might become late, like 4 or something.
Yeah. If it comes late today, let me know. I'll come straight back.
Okay.
All right.
Order right now. Make
All
sure
right.
it's in order. Thank you.
All right, dude.
What's up, boss?
All right, guys. I'm just going to order new tires because this mug the steering wheel is still shaking, and I cannot get an alignment right now due to the fact I'm jumping curves. No, I can't get an alignment right now because the tires in the front need to be. How can you say it? Can you stay in your lane, nigga?
Shit, nigga, you just almost took me out. You complaining about
your ass off the fucking phone.
As you record. Like, what?
I be saying that crap on my videos too. So guys, I cannot get an alignment until I get 2 new front tires. But I ain't gonna cap to you. It has me sitting up like this right now because there's so much meat, no diddy in the front right now. Okay, y'all niggas tripping, bro. I'm gonna cut somebody off. So I just have to get new tires. It is what it is. All right, so we're about to head to Winter, Powder Coat Man, PCP, not CPC. Oh, no, CPC, not PCP. I'm always messing that crap up. You know what PCP is? Huh? It's a drug or something. I don't know.
It's a pipe.
Oh, it's a pipe? That's what it is? Oh,
That's like the plumbing stuff? Like,
no, that's PVC.
Isn't that what you said?
No, PCP.
Oh.
What the hell? So we're about to head to Winter. I got the radiator support thing I have to pick up. And there's some other stuff I have to do about the whole painting, pearl. It's a lot of stuff, man. So I might honestly take my crap somewhere else to get painted. Because I'm just having to do too much stuff with this pearl stuff. I paid the guy, now he's telling me I need to get more pearl, pay for pearl. But he don't know. If I let him paint my car, all this stuff I paint, these pieces I paint, I'm gonna ask him how much it's gonna cost to paint my car, and I'm subtracting all that amount off the final price. Because technically, you would have painted my whole car for that price if I didn't do it in pieces like that. You know what I'm saying? So, but it is what it is. He just don't know. I'm gonna do that on his ass, yo. But yeah, CPC. We gonna get some food and head back to the crib. But we got tires. Yay! I can finally drive the truck. But I gotta buy a new battery now. God dang it. I don't know why it does. That's how I know it's a bad sale. Because it would have started. It sat out all night, 2 days, or no, 1 day. It sat out, and I remote started this morning. And this is the same thing happened to me when I went to the gas station, when I went to the storage in the previous video, and it just didn't start, which is weird as hell. I don't know, it's just weird. I don't know. I think she took all my juice though. Her ass right there.
Because I'm plugging it back up.
Took all my damn juice.
He didn't even charge.
Tiffany, the truck was off. If you don't see this orange light on, the truck is off. The truck wasn't even on that whole time.
It's off now.
It's on. Is it charging?
Yeah.
Yeah, that means it's on.
I see it. It's in charging.
See, she got a foreign and now she bougie as hell.
I mean, because my car don't do this.
I can tell you what it was doing at first.
First of all.
Yeah.
Man, you ain't got to even take it there.
You want to go back to that?
You ain't even got to take it there.
Yeah,
Dang.
exactly.
You got to get so personal with it.
All right, guys. I'll see y'all when I get to winter CPC. Not PCP. Yeah, CPC. Guys, finally made it to win.
Oh, man.
We finally made it to Winter Shop to pick up the actual the radiator support. I don't even know if that's what it's called, man. Y'all didn't even tell me what it's called. Honestly, I'm making this video and I haven't even posted the other video to know what it's called, but y'all didn't tell me anyway. I'm gonna blame it on y'all. Oh, let's go look at it side by side, babe. Come on, look at it side by side. Look at his side by side. It's the first time you get to see it. What up, Winnie Win? She better check your side by side out. Come on, nigga roach. Come your fine ass on. I don't know why you wore that today. Look. So he got regular 26s on here. Oh damn. He hit a curb. That boy got 40s on here. Damn. What you think? But they're regular tire. He could drive it on the street. Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can open it. Look. That crap crazy. I don't know how to open this one. Yeah, I don't know how to open this one. How you open this one? Oh, here you go. That crap crazy, ain't it? Yeah. Butterfly dog. That boy got the butterfly dog. But so.
My ass will hit my fucking head going over here.
So look. So get in this one. Look how so you remember the Can-Am? Babe, just you put your foot right.
It's gonna make me dirty.
Look. So you remember the Can-Am, right? Hold this. Don't point on you. Turn it on me.
It is on me. Well, you gave it to me like this.
Ow! Fuck.
Thirsty lemon.
That's his lemon company. His wife. Lemon. So
you hit your head. I was exactly.
Man, that shit hurt. But look how close it is. Yeah. You see the Can-Ams have all that room. This is why I didn't want a Polaris. But I drove this mother. It's pretty fast. But look how wide the rims are, though. Whee! What the fuck? All the ditty, bro. All the ditty. This mug nice though. Overall, it's nice. I like it. All right, let's go see what I spent money on. I'm
right here.
So yeah, a lot of money. So Thirsty Lemons is his wife's lemonade company, and it tastes good as hell. All right, guys. So we're gonna come into the shop. You not coming in? Come on, you can be winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Hey, did Kevin drop off some stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, that's Kevin? You know that's my dude that does my motor.
Yeah.
He told you?
Cool.
Yeah, that's
we
my
was over
boy.
here, man. We spent out here like 2 hours. Hey,
yeah, hey,
how you doing?
Kevin to talk your ass off.
Man, he's cool. He, him, his wife, and
what he drive up here? Single red truck?
Nah, he drove. He said it was a new one. It was like a Tahoe or something. Yeah, just got.
A white one?
Yeah.
The white?
It looked like it was like cop here?
Oh no, I don't know what that
They
is.
say he just got it.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so Kevin, the motor guy. Hey, why is it like this though?
What's that?
Why is it like that?
Because that's hidden from like being corroded and stuff over time.
Oh, is that the same ICT billet thing you did on mine?
Yeah, that's right.
The black? I need to put it on my shit. I haven't put it on yet.
Oh,
It's in the back of that truck. Oh, let's look at the wheels real fast, bro.
look, I saw the drop.
I want to see, is it, you get back in the car if you want. I know you don't want to be in here.
Exactly.
I had everything cooped up there.
I ended up getting new tires because I needed to. So is it worth saving? Or just go ahead and let them go and get some new ones? What you
They
think?
can be cleaned up. I mean, they ran stuff down.
Yeah, I don't care about this.
Yeah.
If you could cover that, but I don't think you could cover that. You got to weld it and shit,
Yeah,
huh?
it had to be ground out and filled in. Ground back down. Yeah.
You could clean them up though? Could you do the brush? Not the brush. I don't care about the brush. I want it the same as this.
Yeah.
You remember you did those.
Yeah, lollipop.
So could you make this white or is that too much work?
Anything can be done.
But is it too much work though? I don't want it to be too.
It might be more than work.
Okay.
But it's, I mean,
It's, so it'd just be better. It'd be. Could you do the back black though?
yeah,
A satin black? Okay. I didn't want to get new tires, but I needed them, bro. Because these motherfuckers. So,
it was the same thing on my truck, man. I was running ball on.
bro, no, these was ball. It was showing tread.
Man, I was almost there.
It was showing tread.
Yeah, they.
Hold on, let's go to the other side. I want you to see all of them. You know, this is the first time I drove this truck in months, bro.
Man, I ain't seen it.
It's just been sitting.
We probably years since we seen this truck.
Yeah, it's been sitting.
Yeah. Well, they're gonna take some work, but
All right, how long you think?
man, right now they're gonna bid for like these, so they're gonna take some time.
The crazy part is, I was telling her I was about to put my factories back. So I didn't want to get new tires because I know we were going to powder coat them.
Yeah.
But I got to start driving this truck, man. I'm just wasting $800 a month just sitting.
Yeah. Now, like I said, I mean, it probably take me, I would say, like, we drop them off, give me like 2 weeks.
Oh, that's not bad. Okay, I think you're talking about a month.
But, let me get a couple of things out the way before we bring them.
No, yeah,
That
you
way we
fine.
can just schedule it.
I'll just let it sit again. Can you unlock the door?
Hey,
He gonna rip the handle off.
exactly.
Hey, can we wrap?
Yeah.
You can keep that if you want it. You got wrap?
I just ran out.
You can keep that then. Oh, no, you can't keep it because I got to wrap the other pieces. So this is Kevin's parts, guys. Kevin. Huh?
It's one of the sets. Dropped off like one of the sets.
Oh, you did?
Oh, and these. This is another set. This is a set. That's another set.
Yeah, all that shit look old and raggedy as fuck.
Shoot, they gonna come out clean when they done now.
Yeah. Damn. When he picking these up?
I hadn't even told him I did these yet. I was gonna just sitting there.
Should I send him a picture or no? Or you want me to surprise him? Should I send him a picture?
You can send him one.
All right, let me send him a video. I told him you work fast.
Oh yeah, the other part.
Hey, your phone ringing. I heard something.
Yeah, I got it up here.
See if he answered the phone. Hola, papi chulo. Papi chulo. Hola. Oh shit, I took a picture on accident. Hold on, look, Chico. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Kevin smile.
Senor.
Hold on. Look, Chico. Look, he's smiling his ass off. Look at it. Hey, I told you he worked fast.
Yeah, that's stuff on the inside.
I told you he worked fast. Hey, what you say? Okay.
When you come in.
I ain't getting no coverage in here, bro. I hit you back. I can't hear you. Go ahead, you go, you go. Oh, he put a thumbs up. I didn't know you could do that. Oh, damn, you got more parts in here. Hey, you need to ask him, bro, because he said you could powder coat this.
That's what we had talked about. I was talking to him about it when he was here. I was like, man, because I know we got what you call, and he was like, well, I can, because he was gonna bring me a gasket so I could outline it. But I was like, man.
He was telling me on mine.
Yeah. Because he had told me when we talked about it, and he was like, man, you can just mask it or whatever. Which, because I was gonna do it, but even like these, he told me, he said, man, just do it how you did his. He was like, it'd be good. Because I mean.
But you can't see it though. And then the part that we can see, we're gonna sand down the spray paint in black, so it don't even matter.
Yeah. Yeah, because that'd be the thing. Like, if I know exactly what worked for him, because I told him I don't want to make it hard. So it's,
yeah, that's what I was telling him too.
But he was like, man, just do it the same way.
All right. All right, guys. So the reason why we are here, man, booty call, P Diddy head ass nigga. All right, guys. So this is why we're here. Damn, that looks so clean, bro.
Yeah, I should have did it before.
Damn.
See,
No, they see the video.
Covered and stuff.
Damn, that's so clean, guys. So this is the radiator support for the actual Vox Chevy. That mug is freaking. Man, you right. It looks brand new down there. Yeah, so I was low key about to buy one, but it was the same price of you powder coat. And I'd just rather give you the money than buy the new one. But no, that
is a lot of them too. You get a new one, it's just gonna. What it is painted. It's going to rusting again like that.
Yeah.
So with this, you really ain't got to worry about it.
All right. So how you want to shrink wrap? You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
You want to do it outside?
Let me see. We probably can do it. I'm just gonna flip it. Like maybe here. Let's do this. Once it gets started.
Which way you want to
start it off like this?
Okay. I'll hold it. Boy, you take cards now? Boy, you better stick to cash.
Nah, I had been taking cards, man, because shoot, I don't want no, what do you call it? No,
you do this shit. Let me do this.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want no exception.
Oh, okay, I got you.
I gotta, go hunt this one dude. I'm gonna go to his place. I was gonna go this morning, but shit, I had to get up there.
What happened?
Now, this one guy, which I done stuff with him, his business.
Oh, you know what, dude? We're doing this completely wrong. We could have just did it like this.
Yeah, man, he owed me like $650.
What?
And
you know I could just turn it, right?
Yeah, man, I have to re-scratching it up.
Oh, you ain't gonna see that part anyway. I know I'm picky, but not that goddamn picky. Shit. Kevin always, he said, picky budget.
I had, now a dude came, he's right down here, like a couple doors down. He came and got his headers and some other stuff earlier.
He picked it up?
He came and got them. And then, this is another guy over here. But then he messed around. I mean, he just got them and threw them in the back of the truck bed. I was like, man, you ain't want to put it on something. He's like, man, I'm just going over there. I ain't worried about it. He put it on the drift car. He's like, they're going to be dragging on the ground anyway.
Oh, damn.
I was like, man, I just paid the money to fuck this.
Some people just do that shit for the color.
Yeah. Me and him was over there messing around the other day, burning, matter of fact, we burnt that nut over there. And ran up to about 1,200 degrees.
Damn.
Just playing. See, you know what? Look, about a month ago, man, I was on this, what do they call it? Liquidation site.
Uh-huh.
And they were selling one of them big things you can put stuff like this on.
Yeah,
and
sure,
wrap
yeah.
it.
How much was it, though?
I think it went for like $600.
That wasn't bad. But
I was trying to get it.
But do you need to wrap? Do you need to wrap that much stuff though?
Yeah, I be getting pallets, man. I be having pallets and stuff. Like,
okay.
When I do these table legs, and there's a couple other things like electrical boxes and stuff. I have to put them on pallets. I'll be wrapping that stuff with the forklift and doing it by hand like this.
Yeah, that should be good right there. I'm gonna take it tomorrow. So you see how bipolar our weather is, bro?
Yeah, crazy. Now the sun out.
Shit, I have to take my pieces back. The pieces I showed you for the fender like this. I have to take that shit back because you got to paint it better. I can't see none of the pearl.
Really?
Yeah. I took it to the storage, bro. I didn't see not one thing of pearl in that mud.
Yeah.
So he talking about I didn't have enough pearl or something in there. So I don't know. Should I put this inside? Drop it down. Huh? What you mean? Oh, for real? Yeah. Do you have a lift on yours? Oh, mine is 6 inches too. You can throw that back there. Well, I got new tires. That's probably why. For real? Yeah. I wanted to put 40s on here. They said it was too big for the front. All right, man. My boy Winner, like always. CPC, not PCP. What we got left? I think I got some more stuff left. I just gotta bring it to you. But so I'm ordering the wheel woods.
Yeah.
I'm trying to order everything that I know. How much powder blue you got left?
I still got it.
Okay, so
I got it inside on my shelf.
wheel wood, I got like 2 or 3 bars, and that should be it.
Yeah.
Cause maybe the springs, maybe I don't know. But I'm gonna wait till I'm gonna have everything to bring before we even do it.
Yeah.
Because I don't wanna run out. Cause you know that stuff we got lucky with that.
Yeah, no, man, it's gotta be probably about 3.5 pounds.
I don't know what the hell that means.
3.5 pounds, man. I can do a set of wheels.
Okay, so you got enough to do some more pieces. Okay, and then after that, we can just play it by ear. Cause I might have some odd end pieces on interior wise. But hey, hold on, I gotta get off the camera. I wanna tell you what I'm gonna do to the interior. Something that nobody never done, bro. All right, guys, so we picked up the parts. So what you think about the side-by-side?
It's little.
Inside, but it's not little. Is that what you say about me?
Inside?
Oh, wow. All right, guys, so picked up the actual, not the side-by-side, god damn it.
Look at you.
Picked up the radiator support. Now we just got to get this mug painted at the top, and we are officially done with that. We feel get something to eat, right?
Yeah.
Especially for Giselle ass. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, man. In my own lane, doing my own damn thing. Finally got new tires. Going to order more tires. Well, already ordered the tires. Going to get those replaced tomorrow because the truck is just shaking too damn bad. And like Winter said, it's because of the flat spots. What you doing over here by yourself, woman? But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, man. In my own lane, doing my own thing. Everybody say bye to my co-host. But
Vote for the Hellcat.
this ain't that video, man. This ain't the video.
Jeez.
I'll be making so many different videos at once. She already know what video I'm doing, bro.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for the next. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. We had a good conversation about why we got rid of the Hellcats, bro. So stay tuned. That's what she's talking about. But yeah, just vote for me though, Hellcat. Okay. All right. Peace.
It's not the video.
In my own lane, doing my own thing.
That's all, folks.